All right, let's move on to this
Okay, this is
email
not a
that you
sad. This is a sad occasion. I think I'm gonna let you handle this one because next one is the funny one.
Okay.
So, okay,
Well,
look, I'm
shoot.
just gonna say I get emails all over the place, all over the cities, all over the country now. I appreciate it. I thank you guys for all the support. And then once in a while, I got another one today, which I didn't have a chance to send you. That's more horrific than this thing.
Oh,
Then I'm
geez.
going now. I've become like this Dear Abby kind of a thing, which I want to help these people. Honestly, I want to help these people, but I'm
Mm.
just kind of helpless myself because I don't know what to say about this. So, Chris, you take this one, buddy.
All right. Well, yeah, I'm going to read through this real quick just to let everybody know, especially for those who may be listening on the audio podcast of what's going on. So I'm
Yeah.
just going to read through this. We'll share our thoughts, share your thoughts. The big thing when it comes to this is, it happened. So if it's something that's going to happen or could happen similar to you, if you find that situation, it's just good to have that type of knowledge. So it says here's the email I received yesterday from a New York driver who got assaulted after getting rear-ended with two passengers in the car who they had picked up at a hospital. Dear Sergio, I listen to the shows all the time, love them. Well, thank you, driver, for watching. I admire what you do for us, the drivers. I would describe what happened to me just now and would really appreciate if you'd help me find the right attorney. Um, I am a Lyft and Uber driver. While I was taking two female passengers, it's a Lyft ride home from the hospital. The following happened. Standing at a traffic light and a car hit you from behind. After the traffic light changed to green and started driving, the car behind them, the one that hit them, tried to pass them. So they moved aside to let them pass. They stopped next to me and started hitting the car and broke the side mirror. I opened the door to take a picture of the car. Then the attack started. They stopped next to me and started hitting the car and broke the side mirror, opened the door. They got out of the car, broke my phone, physically attacked me with their fists. I fell a few times. One time they drove off with their car on my hand and the phone. I was punched in the face. I was injured in several places. My phone is broken. I had severe headaches, dizziness, and pain, mainly in my back and side of my stomach. Also, my whole face hurts, especially my jaw. I had two female passengers in the car that I picked up. The passengers witnessed the entire assault. So this happened in Queens, 913 at 4:30. So first off, the driver who sent this, thank you for watching, and very, very sorry that this had happened to you. So yeah, this is something. There's definitely a few things that can be done differently. So hopefully, if you do continue driving, driver, then take into account. First off, dash camera. Dash cameras are necessary. Not only that, 3-channel dash cameras are becoming necessary. 3-channel dash cam is a forward-facing, interior-facing, what's going on in the car, and rear-facing. If you can add more cameras to the car or sides, that's even better. But this is something where things are becoming, even worse. When it comes to cities like New York City, Chicago, LA, where there's a lot of traffic in a very small area, especially New York City, where they put bumper guards on the back of their cars because people hit people all the time, whether you're parking, whether you're driving, stopping, whatever it is. It always happens. So yeah, having a 3-channel dash camera in those particular markets is going to be huge. I start recommending 3-channel dash cameras just because, it's in this particular case, that person hits you. Well, guess what? It's all on camera. And that way you can take that to your insurance. You can take that to the police. You can take that to the attorney. You could do a lot of different things with that. So having that type of footage is going to help. The other thing too, don't get out of your car when something like this happens. If you were pulled over and you couldn't move, you got to try to figure out how you can get out of that particular situation. But don't leave the car if somebody outside the car is agitating. Just try to get away from that situation as quick as possible. Go to a gas station. Go to somewhere that's got a lot of people around. Go to a police station. There's always police in New York City all over the place. So depending where in Queens that is, go to a main road or try to. Obviously, being outside New York City in different markets, that's why knowing where your precinct offices or precinct locations actually are, knowing where those areas that are having more people to keep you, a little bit safer is going to be. But yeah, so those are a couple of things that I recommend. Don't get out of your car. Have a 3-channel dash camera. And beyond that, when it comes to what you got to deal with and all that,
Well, I
that's
mean, look,
tough.
this guy's going to lose. Lyft. That okay? This was on period 3. He had 2 passengers in the car. We talked about that issue picking up hospitals. Okay, I mean, I'm not saying had anything to do with it. I'm not blaming Lyft and Uber on this. This is just crazy people doing crazy shit. But we talked about Lyft's kind of BS thing that we have to pick up at doctors and hospitals. But anyway, so this happened on period 3. Lyft definitely is going to suspend this guy, if not deactivate this guy. Most likely they're going to suspend him until he proves that his car is drive worthy again. Okay, gets it fixed. I don't know what the damage is. He didn't send me any pictures. So I told him immediately go file a police report. But I go before then, first go take care of yourself. Go to the hospital, get checked out. And if he didn't get a video of this, I'm pretty sure the 2 passengers with cell phones probably got a video of this, right? And even if he didn't have a dash cam in his case, so I'm hoping and praying that these 2 Lyft passengers that were in the car, took a video of what happened. And, then I think he has a leg up on the system, but he's going to lose some, income, pretty sure. But his income is not what he should be thinking about now. This kind of stuff happens all the time. Look, what is the most unsafe occupations on the planet is being a cab driver. He used to be. And now cab drivers got replaced with Uber and Lyft drivers. I mean, it's an unsafe situation. Nobody's forcing us to drive, but shit like this can happen anywhere to anybody. Really. I mean, this was not a passenger that assaulted the guy in the vehicle. This was an outside attack. They beat the crap out of him, ran over his hand and his phone. And I'm like, yeah, hopefully one of those 2 passengers, or both, in this case, Lyft passengers, took a video. And, it's sad. I mean, I got another one today. And I get one of these like 12 of them a week now. I'm like, I don't know how to help these people. Honestly, I don't know what to do. But then I tell them, the first thing, file a police report and take care of yourself first, because health is first. Money always comes next. But yeah, it's sad. It's a sad story, but then, stuff happens. I don't know. I guess it's the society we live in, man. Right? You go rear-end somebody instead of pulling over.
Gotta be prepared. So it's one of those things you just gotta. So we wish you a speedy recovery and everything. And then just I mean, if you get back to it, or other people watching, just try to make those safe decisions, and try. I mean, when somebody instigates something like that, in the moment it might be you want to get out and see what's going on, but at that moment, if they're being continuous, they hit you, and then they're doing more things on the side, that at that point, then that's a situation where it's like, don't get out of the car, stay in your car, or try to get out of there as quick as possible, and do what you can. So yeah, again, hope you have a speedy recovery, and wish you the best. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.